move the board. Okay? I'll see you back in 15. Okay, 15 minutes is up. Now we're going to turn the board over. Very careful when you turn the board over. Don't flex or bend the board at all. And what we're going to do is we're going to lie it down. Again, get it as flat as possible. Okay, let's just turn that round that way. Right. Now what we're going to do, we're going to heat this one BGA up. And that one. Also we're going to do these two here. Okay? And we're going to do them separately again like we did the other side. Okay. Get the heat gun. Turn it on. 350 degrees. I'm going to heat small areas up first, and then go on to the IC. Small area there, and then go on to that IC.